Hello YouTubers, it's me, Red, the Suburban Man. This wasn't a video I had thought about making, but because it happened, I thought I'd go ahead and make it and let it be something for you to reference in case of emergency like this, if you're out on the road like a lot of the dwellers, van life, car living people are. Okay, so what we got here is a broken line for the heater core. If you're ever on the road and this breaks, or maybe your heater core springs a leak, what you can do is disconnect one hose and take the other good hose and loop it back around and connect here for a temporary emergency fix if you're out on a road, so you can get someplace to replace your hose or replace your heater core. But for this here, I'm just going to end up cutting it back a little and then reattaching it, because this is where the break is, right at the end of the line. So it's going to be an easy fix. I got plenty of extra hose for it, so I hope y'all like this. Now when I went to go get this off, I went ahead and put a slice right down the side, so that way I could easily get it off, because usually there's a little ridge on the inside where the metal is that helps to hold it in place where the clamp is. But that was the quick and easy fix for a busted water hose when it's right at the fitting, or it could be at the other fitting for the other hose, or at the heater core. Now, like I said before, if one of your hose busts or the heater core busts, you take the one good hose and you can loop it back around to the engine, so then it just creates a temporary bypass and it just keeps on recirculating until you can get it fixed. Get a new hose or get the heater core replaced. Well, I hope you found this informative and helpful. And again, I'm Red, the Suburban Man. And if you like my channel, hit subscribe and like. We're all here to help each other out. Have a good day now.